You can have it all. Excellent all-day light, soothing and empowering park views seen through the new picture windows, and a terrific modern open layout. Originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bath residence, this apartment has been completely reimagined as a grand 1-bedroom home with a huge corner open-plan living dining room kitchen office perched over Riverside Park. The bedroom is now en suite with 2 closets, one of which is a huge walk-in. A separate entrance foyer with additional closets and a windowed powder room complete this gorgeous home. The apartment abounds in detail: cove lighting, customized closets, solid wood glass doors, a copper kitchen sink, custom wood kitchen cabinets, and a large granite breakfast bar. There are numerous tastefully designed custom built-ins and millwork, including 2 desks. There are also beautiful hardwood floors and through-the-wall air conditioning throughout. This terrific home is actually on the 4th floor of the building, faces directly west to Riverside Park and south onto landscape gardens, and is ready for you to move right in. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Cinderella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. It is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doorman, a dry cleaner, valet, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. Open houses are not permitted. However, this great home is easily shown by appointment.